Oh my God, this one. I've been waiting for this one for over a day. Okay. And
I'm excited.
I hope you didn't watch it yet.
It won a lot of awards.
This thing has got so many awards. And funny enough, I didn't encounter this because I was scouring for like top or popular things. I ran into this because I have notifiers for certain words, including unboxing. So that's how it ended up in my feed. So I had low expectations when I encountered it. The title of this post on Are Funny, this girl unboxing her package with extreme enthusiasm. All right, that's what you need to know, Will. We're going to need audio for this.
Okay.
And we're going to watch it together. And audio listeners, people who can't see this clip, you're going to get a lot out of it too because the audio is bananas. And I'll describe everything for you. So go ahead and click play. So she comes running in with a package.
Oh. That's not hygienic. She's ripping the package with her teeth.
She's very enthusiastic, Will. This is an important package.
What's in there?
And it's very wrapped up.
She's on the floor, quite frantic.
Quite frantic. And
just ripping pieces from the packaging.
And the little girl on the left is way more chill. She's like, oh, cool, you got something. She's like, I got a toy too.
Like, what you got there?
She's like, you're a little extreme right now.
And no one's helping her. Hand her scissors or something, you know. Everyone's just so chill. What is it?
Listen.
Oh, with the teeth.
She's just gnawing at it to get it open.
It's a lot of cardboard.
One of the most aggressive unboxings I've seen ever.
Can you do something like this on Unbox
That's
Therapy?
what people are saying. No, I know. I was so inspired when I watched this. I'm like, I have zero enthusiasm compared to this.
Jesus. What is it? What is that? Is that like a can of nuts? What is that? Oh, jeez. That's funny.
Oh, my goodness. So this is for sure the most enthusiastic unboxing I've ever seen. It totally puts anything I've ever done to shame in this realm. She comes running up the hill. It's an incredible clip. It is raw emotion. And I have to step my game up after watching this, obviously. I'll give you the backstory on exactly what's going on here. So what's in the containers is dates.
Can you do this?
The end with the two. Woo! And there's dates in the container.
Okay.
You know what I'm talking about? Like the food?
Yeah.
They're sweet.
Delicious.
Yeah, they're delicious. But the dates are apparently not the important aspect. I think this is in Indonesia or somewhere near there. And the retailer, the e-commerce site, does a thing where they will include maybe either randomly or in different varieties that sometimes they'll include a small piece of gold with an order.
Oh.
And she knew, I guess, that she had a chance that her package would have the gold included. And when she notices on the top of the dates container that hers has the gold bonus, I'm talking about real gold. And you see it on the top. It's a card. It looks like a SIM card. And she's looking and she's like, I got the gold. And it's like, it's probably like, I don't know what they were saying, 0.5 grams.
Okay.
And so she's surprised. Now, the amount of money might not be a ton. I think it's like $38.
Okay.
The amount of gold.
Yeah.
But it's like a lot of money to her.
Yeah.
And so it's like a massive win to get the gold included with the dates. And
That's
and
cool.
the dates are kind of expensive, I guess, on their own. I don't know about dates, but like some dates can be expensive. Maybe we gotta try this ourselves. Maybe I have to reenact this video. I gotta order from this site. I gotta get some
absolutely.
dates, and my teeth hurt just thinking about it though. Like the way she ripped at this thing with her teeth.
So desperate.
Without hesitation. I'm like, man, my teeth are killing me watching this. Now, the other thing I should mention, someone translated this video in the comments, and the person holding the camera, who I think is her mother, but anyway, the person holding the camera was encouraging her to just use her teeth to get in there quickly. So that has something to do with it. But this was an incredible ride. This is a roller coaster of a video. It has tons of drama. I personally like the character of the small girl there. She's like, wow, you're going way too nuts.
It was a little much for me.
She's like, I mean, I like getting new things too, but you're out of control here over the gold portion. And just bang, there it is. I got the gold bonus. I got the gold bonus. Ah!
Congrats to her. Have you ever felt this way?
No, I don't know.
Like when you were a kid?
I don't think to that degree. I think she just put everybody to shame as far as enthusiasm is concerned.
Yeah, I think she topped it.
There's a moment, if you can pause it, where her eyes are enormous.
Yeah.
Do you know the
I
moment?
was very scared.
It's when she looks over at somebody else off camera and realizes what's going on. And to me, that is the critical moment of pure enthusiasm, where there's no act and no actor that has ever hit that level, the level she hits when she looks off camera with the full intensity. See if you can find it. Just give the people a quick pause. Oh, that was a big. It might be. Oh, that was another one.
That was a close
There's
one.
so many good thumbnails in there. She could just grab any frame she wants.
Yeah.
She looks at the kid. The kid's like, yeah, I know. It's exciting. The kid's kind of but way more composed.
She has her own gift there. She's holding something.
Yeah. She's got her own toy of some kind. It's pink.
Yeah.
pink
I remember
outfit.
the distinct moment when her eyes were just like...
No. It was a key. It was an insane frame. Like, if you posted that as the video title with that thumbnail, that thing is crushing because you can't fake that level of enthusiasm. It's coming up here soon. I think it's when she first notices what it is. Because at this point, she's kind of skeptical still of what the order is. It's right around here. She knows what order it is. She gets a glimpse of the interior package. Shout out to Isaac, by the way. Right. Woo! There.
Oh.
Right there.
That's a good one.
Yeah, it's right around there. Right there. Oh, it was right at the end there. It was like, do you hear me? Right there. Ah! Did you hear what I said? I mean, that is, people would say it was Photoshop. They'd be like, those aren't your eyes. You're not that excited.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's that excited.
Good for her.
So I'm going to have to step my game up. That's all I took from that.
You should.